The old man wakes up early in the morning. The old man wakes up early in the morning. The garden looks quiet and fresh. The garden looks quiet and fresh. He walks slowly into the garden. He walks slowly into the garden. His dog follows him happily. His dog follows him happily. The sun shines softly on the plants. The sun shines softly on the plants. The old man checks the soil carefully. His hands feel the dry ground. His hands feel the dry ground. The soil needs more water today. The soil needs more water today. He brings a small watering can. He brings a small watering can. He brings a small watering can. The water flows gently onto the plants. The old man waters the flowers every day. The flowers look bright and colorful. The flowers look bright and colorful. A small bird sits near the tree. A small bird sits near the tree. The leaves move with the wind. The leaves move with the wind. He digs the soil with a small shovel. He digs the soil with a small shovel. The old man plants some new seeds. The old man plants some new seeds. The seeds go deep into the ground. The seeds go deep into the ground. The soil covers the seeds gently. The soil covers the seeds gently. The plants grow little by little. The plants grow little by little. The green leaves become bigger each day. The green leaves become bigger each day. The old man watches them with care. The old man watches them with care. My face shows happiness and peace. My face shows happiness and peace. The garden becomes more beautiful. The garden becomes more beautiful. He removes the dry leaves from the ground. He removes the dry leaves from the ground. The old man cuts the dead branches. The old man cuts the dead branches. The scissors make small sounds. The scissors make small sounds. The plants look cleaner now. The plants look cleaner now. The garden feels fresh and tidy. The garden feels fresh and tidy. The sun becomes hotter in the afternoon. The sun becomes hotter in the afternoon. The old man sits under a tree. A wooden chair stands near the garden. He drinks a cup of tea slowly. The cool wind touches his face. The cool wind touches his face. The old man picks some fresh vegetables. The old man picks some fresh vegetables. The tomatoes look red and juicy. The tomatoes look red and juicy. His basket becomes full quickly. His basket becomes full quickly. The vegetables smell fresh and clean. The vegetables smell fresh and clean. The garden gives him good food. The garden gives him good food. The sun goes down behind the trees. The sun goes down behind the trees. The garden shines in the evening light. The garden shines in the evening light. His dog stays quietly beside him. His dog stays quietly beside him. His dog stays quietly beside him. The air becomes cool and calm. The old man cleans his tools carefully. The old man carefully. The tools stay in a small wooden box. The tools stay in a small wooden box. He walks back to his house slowly. He walks back to his house slowly. The garden rests for the night. The garden rests for the night. The old man feels happy and relaxed.
The old man feels happy and relaxed.
The night covers the garden with silence. The night covers the garden with silence.
The stars shine above the small house. The stars shine above the small house.
The old man sleeps deeply after a long day. The old man sleeps deeply after a long day. His body feels tired but satisfied. His body feels tired but satisfied. The garden stays quiet under the moonlight. The garden stays quiet under the moonlight. A soft breeze wakes the garden early. A soft breeze wakes the garden early. The old man opens his window slowly. The old man opens his window slowly. Fresh air enters the room gently. Fresh air enters the room gently.
The morning light fills the small house.
The morning light fills the small house. His dog waits at the door again. His dog waits at the door again. The old man walks outside with a smile. The old man walks outside with a smile. The ground looks more moist than yesterday. Some small plants appear from the soil. Some small plants appear from the soil. The new sprouts look fresh and green. The new sprouts look fresh and green. His eyes notice every small change. His eyes notice every small change.
A tiny insect moves on a leaf.
A tiny insect moves on a leaf.
The old man watches it with interest. The leaf shakes slightly in the wind. The leaf shakes slightly in the wind.
A yellow flower. A yellow flower opens slowly.
The garden shows new life everywhere. The garden shows new life everywhere. He builds a small fence around the plants. He builds a small fence around the plants. The wooden sticks stand in a line. The wooden sticks stand in a line. The fence protects the young plants. The fence protects the young plants. His hands work carefully and slowly. His hands work carefully and slowly. The structure looks simple but strong. The structure looks simple but strong. The old man mixes water with plant food. The old man mixes water with plant food. The liquid helps the plants grow better. The liquid helps the plants grow better. Each plant receives enough care. Each plant receives enough care. The roots absorb the nutrients quietly. The roots absorb the nutrients quietly. The soil becomes richer and darker. A butterfly flies over the flowers. A butterfly flies over the flowers. The colors of its wings look beautiful. The colors of its wings look beautiful. The old man follows it with his eyes. The old man follows it with his eyes. The garden feels alive and peaceful. The garden feels alive and peaceful. Every sound becomes soft and gentle. Every sound becomes soft and gentle. The old man moves a heavy pot slowly. The old man moves a heavy pot slowly. The pot finds a better place in the sun. The pot finds a better place in the sun. The sunlight helps the plant grow stronger. The sunlight helps the plant grow stronger. His back bends but stays steady. His back bends but stays steady. The work takes time and patience. Some green vegetables are ready to pick. Some green vegetables are ready to pick. The old man chooses the best ones. His basket fills with fresh produce again. His basket fills with fresh produce again. The vegetables look clean and healthy. The vegetables look clean and healthy. The garden gives more than before. The garden gives more than before. The sky turns orange and pink slowly. The old man stands quietly in the garden. The old man stands quietly in the garden. His heart feels calm and proud. His heart feels calm and proud. The garden becomes his happy place. The garden becomes his happy place. Another good day ends with simple joy.